Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up WebMAN PS3 step by step. First, prepare a PS3 with compatible CFW or HAN and a FAT32 USB drive. Then copy WebMAN and required files to the USB root. Enter recovery or file manager from XMB. Install the WebMAN PKG using install package files. Enable remote file access if desired. Adjust network and mounting preferences inside WebMAN mod, and reboot the console when installation prompts you to complete setup. Make sure you have the correct WebMAN package that matches your system and a clean FAT32 USB drive ready to go. Check you have either CFW or HAN installed, and place the PKG and any supportive modules in the USB root. Power off and access the Install Package Files menu or use the File Manager in recovery as needed. Carefully follow prompts, verify file integrity, and avoid interrupting the install to prevent corruption or partial installs. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making clear tutorials. Quick recommendation: the bottle you see keeps you hydrated during long setup sessions, and it makes those late-night installs much easier to tolerate. Check the description for the link and other deals where you can grab one for yourself and enjoy a sip while the PS3 installs finish. Now let's get back to the video. After installing WebMAN, open its configuration to set auto-mounting, file paths, and network shares for SMB or FTP access. Enable features like spoofed region, game boot settings, and fan control carefully based on your needs, and save changes before exiting. Use the WebMAN mount menu to load a backup ISO or folder, then verify the game launches and network drives remain stable. If issues appear, revisit permissions and recopy files from your USB to resolve them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.